Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about Analytical Pharmacy Lab Instruments. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर ले, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर ले, शुक्रिया. This is dissolution apparatus HPLC, viscometer, moisture analyzer and friability tester. HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography, is a technique. This is analytical technique used for separating, identifying and quantifying each component in a mixture. Dissolution test apparatus is the most important analytical apparatus which is used to measure the rate at which a drug dissolves in medium, which is crucial for bioavailability studies. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is friability tester. Friability tester is used to determine the durability of tablets during packaging and handling. So hardness tester, it is used to measure the crushing strength of tablets. This is moisture analyzer. Moisture analyzer is basically used to measure the moisture content in pharmaceutical products. This is pH meter. A pH meter is used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Viscometer. A viscometer is used to measure the viscosity of liquids. Hot air on. Hot air on is used for sterilization and drying. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें, शुक्रिया. दिस इज़ autoclave. Autoclave is basically used for provide steam sterilization for equipment and medium. Weight balance. Weight balance is used for accurate weighing of samples. Thank you for watching my videos.